Hello YouTubers, this is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions, and today we're going to talk about whether or not your Android tablet or iPad can replace a PC. Hello guys, this is Eric again with another video, and today we're going to talk about if an iPad or Android tablet can replace your PC. Well, first of all, I'm talking about my college students. One of the number one biggest things I've gotten this week in my Q&A on my Twitter was, can a professional or a college student can use an iPad or Android tablet to replace your PC? Well, let's answer that question in so many ways. The answer to that question is yes, in so many ways. You can use an iPad or Android tablet with a Bluetooth keyboard, or if you can use an Android tablet with a mouse, you can get work done. If you are a college person or you're in school and you got an iPad laying around or Android tablet laying around, and you say, listen, can I use the slimness of my iPad and do the same amount of work on my iPad instead of me bringing a big bulky computer to school? Well, the answer to that question is yes. Just say, you know, if you're in the profession of doing a lot of research papers or you're using Microsoft Word. In this instance, I have Excel on both devices. I have an Excel spreadsheet on my iPad, and I have an Excel spreadsheet on my PC. And I can tell you that both of them do the same. Both of them touchscreen, and both of them do the same. Pretty much, the program itself works almost exactly alike. I mean, so yes, you can do a spreadsheet on the iPad or Android tablet because Microsoft has to have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. PowerPoint is all on the iPad, all in the App Store. So yes, you can get work done. Now, if you notice, I got my iPad with a Bluetooth keyboard case, and I mean, it's slim, it's easy, it's fast, and it's good to go. I have my Surface Pro 3 over here, and again, this is my workhorse. I get work done. But the difference in price, and it all depends on what you want to do. Now listen, for me as a college student, I couldn't use an iPad. Only when I do my research papers, yes. But I'm in the computer, so I did a lot of coding and stuff like that. I needed a PC. Unfortunately, with a mobile OS, you can't do those type of things, but you definitely need a real PC to do video editing and do all kinds of code, JavaScript and stuff like that. Yes, you need a PC for that. But I'm not talking about those type of people. I'm talking about the people that go to school, that need to read books, that need to do research papers, that need the long battery life, that need need a workhorse that's a type. Yes, you could use an iPad with a Bluetooth keyboard and you can get the job done. I mean, for the iPad, you have everything. You have Microsoft Word. And we're going to open up Microsoft Word on both devices. Okay, we're going to open up a blank, and I don't have create here. All right, so we're going to create it right here. So if you look at it on both devices, basically you can type, do editing and stuff like that, the same thing you do on a real PC. Now, you don't have all the editing tools here, but if you want to just do a normal Word document, yes, you can do that with an iPad. So with my Bluetooth keyboard, this is a test, and boom, it works. Same thing with the Microsoft Surface Pro 3. And both of them work great, you know, and you know, here is a bigger screen, of course, versus here, you 9.7 inch screen compared to a 12 inch. But overall, both of them do the same thing, and you can pinch in to get maximum resolution here. So yes, you can use both. And yes, this is an iPad with a Bluetooth keyboard, and it looks like a laptop. Yes, it folds up like a laptop and everything else. So yes, you can get work done on both devices. Now, let's talk about cost. yes, my Surface Pro 3 go cost you, you know, $1,200-1,300. Well, at the time that I bought it with the keyboard and stuff like that. But the iPad, you get one for you get an older iPad for $399, $499, and get a $50 keyboard. You're good to go, $500 versus $1,300. Okay, so the difference is it all depends on what you want to do. Okay, so if you want to just do Word document, do college work, you can do all that stuff on the iPad. Now you got to remember with iOS 9, and they say, for instance, you typing up a document and you need a calculator. There you go. So, but the split screen also, you could do that with the Microsoft Surface. But with the iPad, it gives you a little more flexibility than it did before. And yes, you can get work done. So if I needed a calculator or I need to do some research, then boom, I could do that here. And I could still type with my document. The same thing you could do with the Surface Pro 3. So yes, they've made the iPad and Android tablets right now is powerful enough to get work done. Okay, what about storage? And that's when it gets a little tricky. Now you can always use the cloud. You can always, and to me, I'm always around Wi-Fi, or I have a Verizon or AT&T iPad, so I'm always online. Or you can have the little MiFi base stations and stuff like that. You can have these little devices which gives you Wi-Fi also. Okay, so yes, you can always be online, and you can upload to the cloud, and you can get an iPad or Android tablet that has enough storage. Now with the Android tablet, it's pretty unique. Okay, you can get an Android tablet with micro SD cards in it. Okay, for storage. Okay, so you can get a Android tablet with micro SD card, and you get a 10-inch tablet and with a Bluetooth keyboard, and yes, you can get work done. So at the end of the day, can Android tablet or iPad replace the PC? And the answer is yes. It all depends. If you're a college student, yes, because if you need to do Word documents, if you need to do Microsoft updates and stuff like that, or searching online, yes, you can use an iPad or Android tablet to get work done. Okay, now, and I know a lot of people out there, professionals, say, well, that's not true. You can't get work done. I beg to differ. I use my Android tablet for business all the time. I only use my computer, and I have my MacBook Pro and my MacBook Air to do video editing and stuff like that. That's to get real work done. If you into that field of doing video editing, if you're doing all kinds of stuff like that. But if you're just doing basic tasks, research papers and stuff like that, yes, you can. So it can work. All right, so at the end of the day, it all depends on what you want to do and how much you want to spend. I definitely, if you watch my top 5 budget laptop video, you will see that I did discuss about the Chromebooks and stuff like that. So at the end of the day, you can get work done. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I know a lot of people may disagree with me, but that's okay. Give me a thumbs up on my video and subscribe to my channel. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. See you on the next one. Peace.